In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Legendary mode in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Legendary mode is the hardest difficulty available in Arcane Lineage. You have normal, hard, and legendary. To change the difficulty of your character, you will have to speak to the Soul Master in the Purgatory after you die. To speak to him, you have to die without gaining any soul essence or any levels. Once you get into the Purgatory, all that you have to do is talk to the Soul Master, and he is going to allow you to choose the difficulty of your next life, like I mentioned. Upon talking to this specific NPC, choose this option. I want to push my boundaries, I won't give up. Legendary mode. Upon choosing this, your next life will be started on Legendary mode. The benefits of Legendary mode are going to be triple the amount of essence gain from enemies, triple the drop rate from the enemies, twice as much gold, and exclusive drops. However, the disadvantages are that you only have one life and that it costs 50 gold to heal yourself. Keep in mind that you will not be able to obtain any player drops that are sellable unless the person that dropped the item is also on Legendary mode, and then encounters are going to be far harder. The more attacks that you dodge or block, the more difficult it will be to dodge or block the next time. So choose this option if you want a challenge, and you will be able to play Legendary mode on Arcane Lineage. If you are unable to choose Legendary mode, like I mentioned, it's probably because you either acquired some levels or soul essences. So the best course of action would be to purchase a new character slot with Robux or to create a new account and go in here without any sort of experience or any sort of essences. After you are done talking to the Soul Master, talk to the other entity besides the Shadow with the 3 question marks, and you will be able to be born anew playing on Legendary mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Legendary mode Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.